Hello everyone! Let me show you how to make a paper anti-stress. We'll make a simple and funny paper toy with you. By the way, if you want me to say hello to you and your comments appears in the next video, then just write in the comments: "Hi, my name is so and so, tell me hello in the next video." Okay? Make a paper anti-stress. Take a piece of paper and fold its top right corners towards the bottom side. And cut around the edge of the strip. Make a second crease on this square. Fix the creases well. Draw a point in the center. And fold one corner to that point. Fix the new crease. And do the same with other corners. Unfold all the corners. Turn over the square to the other side. Draw a point in the center. And fold the bottom side to this point. Do the same on the other side of the square. Unfold. And start folding as I am showing. You should get such a design. Now smooth out the folds in all 4 squares. Fold squares along creases, top and bottom. Take the piece of paper and draw funny faces after me. The first face will be with a funny smile. The second face wink at us with one eye. Let the third smiley be with this expression face. straighten the triangles. Take a regular mug or a saucer and draw a circle with a marker pen. Did you succeed? Now close the bottom triangles and draw a semicircle. Find the clean squares below again. And draw a semicircle once more time. Find the clean squares on top and draw semicircles in them. We start drawing emoticons. Now we redraw the faces. Use the pencil first. Now draw the emoticon with a black marker pen. Draw the tone with a red marker pen. Open up the clean squares and redraw the second happy face. Do you see what a fun paper anti-stress toy we're making? Find clean squares and start drawing the third emoticon. Do you see how you can change a person's emotions? Take a yellow pencil or paints and paint emoticons. You can also make another anti-stress toy out of paper, but with other fun emoticons, eyes and smiles. That's all for the present. Take a photo of your anti-stress toy and share it on social media with the tag Helpful Arts and Crafts. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Come to the channel more often. I think you will find a lot of interesting things for yourself here.